Hey there guys, welcome back to another vlog. It's been quite a long time since I've made a long form video. So we have the Audi R8 here and we are about to spray the pink layer. I am so excited. We had to restart because I messed up. I think it was stage 4 I messed up, which is unfortunate, but we're going to get back to that stage by putting on a lot of work. Speaking of, let's get going. For the second layer, let's go! Okay then guys, now I just wanted to say a quick thing. So as I'm creating such a complex designs like this car here, I have to mask out the lines. So when I'm following the lines of the edge of the tape that meets the paint, I hang on, if I actually get one of the pictures of the layers, I will show you real quick. Ah, this is a good one. So this stage that we're at, which is this stage right here. So as you can see, so as I'm sorry about the all scrambled up paper, but I will print a fresh one at some point. But so if we follow the lines, so see the lines here, if I actually grab one of my tools, so see the lines here, I mask the shape of the line, and then when I'm doing the next stage, which is this colour here, I mask that line right there, covering a bit of the pink to give it that next layer kind of look. That was a really bad turn there, sorry. But yeah, so that's what this shape here that we've just created is going to create this shape, this colour here. Which we're going to do that today. Let's reveal how we did with this stage. Guys, look at this. Look at this. Oh. Yes. Oh my god, this is so freaking cool.